Hey you guys, so this is the haul that I did from Tuesday morning. So from here I'm showing you the collection that I'm going to be using for my October daily. So I do apologize, you see all the mess. I was on the floor. So it's Happy Halloween. It's from Nickel Park, and those are the colors that it comes with, and then on the back it does come with a sheet of stickers, and then it comes with some not frames but like the ones that go on the edge. Another collection that I picked up was this one. This is, I believe it was Winter Wonderland. Oh, I love winter, and I fell in love with this one because it's not your typical red colors, green. It's actually like a blue, and I fell in love with the stickers. So you have Midden, hot cocoa. Um, it's just like a whimsical, a little boy with a sled. And this one came with stickers too, so I picked up that one. And then another collection that I found was this one. This one is a Holly Jolly Christmas, and it's your typical green, red, white. But it did have a little bit of pink on there, and it's not the original like Santa Claus. It's the cartoon version of it. And I thought it was really cute. So it comes with the Santa, some reindeers, trees. It comes with gingerbreads and those little houses out on the bottom. And then I found this one. This is a book. It's the Holly Jolly Christmas too. And I picked it up just because I'm planning on doing different stuff for Christmas, and I figured I could use this paper, which was really cute from the collection. And another thing that I found too, it just repeats itself, was the cards, the like Project Life cards. I found, and I figured that I could use that for my December daily too. So it came with the Project Life and some decorations in there that I could incorporate into my album. So I picked that up, and then digging around the store, I was looking for something that would match the other collections. Another stuff that I purchased, well, that I found there, were the stickers, and that's for the winter collection. I was only able to find that they didn't have any other stuff that would um that was the same. Sorry. Then I picked up the bunch board because I wanted to enter Sabrina's challenge, and I figured I would be able to use that. And I did find some Robin stickers, Christmas stickers, so I was pretty sure that I could use that in the collection. Okay, I found those little ghosties at at the Dollar Tree, as well as those little skulls. And oh, this is something else that I found at Tuesday morning, some brats, some Christmas brats, and I picked up these two mini albums. They're from, I think it was, I forgot, We Are Memory Keepers, I think. To be honest, I forgot the brand, but I picked up one in orange and one in purple, and I figured I would be able to use those for my the orange for my October daily, and they came out to $2.99, but they were on sale as well. Then I found these pens that actually have blue and pink ink, so I picked those up. Then I picked up these sprays that I figured that I would be able to use. I had some before, but I didn't use them that much, but I liked the colors, so I figured I would be able to use them for Halloween or Christmas. And then I picked up some adhesive, dimensional adhesive, and I found this clearance tape, washi tape, guitar. Then I did end up picking up some shampoo for my doggy. And what else did I pick up? Oh, when I was over at the Dollar Tree, I picked up the mesh for to do a candy cane for Christmas, and I'll do that soon. And then at this morning, I found the Tim's Holtz punch, so I picked it up so I could use it for my October daily, since it's the same sizing for the sheets. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.